Good morning, guys. So, welcome to the new vlog. Right now, it's snowing. Yes. Just checking the snow. Yeah. Well, everywhere's covered in snow, kinda. Everywhere is covered in snow. How can you? We don't need to have breakfast today. We don't need to have breakfast today. Okay, then let's check the other side. Let's see how it is on the other side. That seems like a slide or something. Yes, it is even a slide. See that? It's actually like a snow mountain, like when you're skiing down the mountain and something. Yeah. Actually, I'm not really a ski teacher. I didn't ski too much, but even if I skied before.
You do ski though.
Okay. Well, guys, I'm sure you're all gonna like this. Not exactly show it. Just check it out. Isn't that pretty cool? Everywhere is covered in snow. You see that? Everywhere around the window is covered in snow right now. That's very cool. Now watch this. Let me see. How's it? How's it? So?
It's like a little snow mountain in the front. Is that right?
I already checked. So, yep, we did that car machine last night.
Sam?
Yes, that's right. So,
We named it.
yeah, let's look. Oh, wow, that sounds like a car horn. Look at that car horn.
Just like
Oh, wow.
that we were driving from home to school.
Yes, yes.
Friday.
I like honking when this is actually a car horn machine.
That's correct.
It's actually a car horn machine, even if it's not a car. It actually seems like a car. It's actually like a wagon. But when you switch the thing on, and that's actually pretty cool. You should also buy one of these if you want. But if they're cool, if you find them pretty cool, then you can buy them. They're actually, if you switch it on, like when you switch it on, then it becomes like a car horn. When a car moves and he presses the horn, like especially if you're stuck in a really bad traffic jam, and if you want someone to move, then pressing the car horn and everything else might make a solution. Just like if someone is either blocking the traffic too much. I think that's really cool. I like car horns. So it was snowing pretty crazy since yesterday evening. And oh my god, look at it on the windows. It's still like this. Still really like this. It's pretty awkward. So last night it started to snow. It was like 6 p.m. when it started to snow, and we checked. Last night we checked really cold places on Earth. Like the coldest we checked was actually, the coldest city on the Earth is actually minus 89 degrees. Minus 89 degrees is like very cold. You cannot believe how cold that is. Like, you cannot even survive a minus 89 degree planet. But last night in Russia, we checked. Well, last night in Russia, me and Dad have been talking about it too. It was minus 73. And that was also really cold. But he told me the definition that in Vostok, which is in Antarctica, where it's minus 89, They live in like igloos or something, or they even live in random houses, which they make them warmer. Yeah, igloos, or yeah, they live in igloos, which don't keep them cold, but in the other place where I mentioned -73, and it's quite hard for those people. So even we got warned that's gonna be -5 degrees today. Oh my god, it's blurring. Thank God it's not blurring anymore. So I'm not even joking. Today is actually gonna be -5 in the evening. It'll be -5 in the evening. It'll be right now it's actually -3. In one thermometer it says 1, one thermometer it says 0, but it actually feels like -3, so it's -3 in here. And that's so cold. I mean, it's pretty normal. When it snows, it drops sometimes below 0.
Look at the snow stuff.
Cool. Wow. I really like it.
You do?
I love it.
Percentage was?
100.
Oh my god. So you're
One part even feels like a skiing mountain.
That's correct. Let's take a picture.
Look, I'm even recording it.
Are you?
Yes. It feels like you're in a ski lesson or something.
That is correct.
He's taking a picture now. Check that out. Check out this.
It's snowing crazy, man. It was like this at the beginning.
Yes, it was. Cool. Was it last night?
That's correct. And now it is like this.
Woohoo! That was
It
last night,
like
right?
This. That's correct.
And I look at that
Who might
wind.
this be?
It's me.
And?
Mom as well.
And who is this?
Just me. When was that?
Night of the
31st December.
Go. Correct.
Well, look at that.
That's crazy, man.
Hmm.
It is snowing like crazy, Mr. Capulet.
How was Juliet? Yes. So, still some content from the school play we had back in late November. Actually, it was really crazy, the production at school. Oh my god, check that out, guys. Check that out. Pretty crazy. Here. I really love that. And we can't even get in there because of the snow. So heavy, lol. I really like how it's really heavy. I really like the fact that the chair is covered in snow. Let's see how the machine is. It's the green car thing. You see, let me show you. So this is a green car thing, and oh god, there's something there. I better not put it there. So let's say this is actually. Let's just review it. So it has batteries in it. This is the kind of a wagon, which looks like a car. It has 4 wheels, like you can clearly see. It has a battery, and it has a horn. So if we switch it on, it will work. And that's a way to turn it off. Then it stops working. I mean, if you don't want it to move, then you gotta hold it not on those wheels, not those wheels. So let's try again from there. Or you can even hold from there. And actually wherever you want, but you have to hold at least some place to get it to stop moving. And by the way, check that out, you guys. Check that out. That seems like the top of the ski mountain, actually. See, maybe like check it. Oh, come on, it's so strong. If it was like glass, then the snow would already. If it was glass window and if I broke it, then the snow would come already. And by the way, important notice I forgot to say, we removed our tree. We removed our tree from there. It was there on Tuesday, but now we remove it until middle of December, probably. Anyway, guys, so that was a pretty fun thing to review. That. Okay, well, I think I checked a few times how it snowed over here.
What is the situation?
You wanna check out something?
Sure, I can.
Yeah, you can check it out.
Let me see.
Yeah, come. Look.
Oh my god! The window is covered with snow.
Yes.
We can hardly see outside. There's a little bit of a hole over there and a little small, but it's not a hole actually. I'm not sure if we can see the outside.
Yeah, I know.
What about the other side?
Let's see.
This side I'm talking.
Okay.
This is better than the other side, I guess, right?
Yes. And let's see. I just checked one part of the other side. So let's say this side. Let's see this side. Yes.
Yes. But when you open this, we need to close this
Oh, we need it?
because it didn't close. Now it's closed.
Oh, yeah, now it is.
Yes.
It wasn't. Okay, but this one's fully closed. The other one's fully closed. And if you want to see the snow there,
That is way higher than the other side. Look at it. Up to.
look. Look, you
Let's
see?
measure it and record it.
Yeah, I am still recording it since the part that I showed you the snow on the window in the bedroom. So he's getting a measuring thing.
It's called measuring tape.
Oh, it's a measuring tape. Okay, let's see how many
It is-
centimeters.
128.
129 actually. Oh, it's 128.
It's
Oh,
126 actually.
oh, it's 126.
26, 27.
Whoa, that's cool.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Man. Like a year ago, that was your height.
Yes.
Not a year, but a little more than a year.
Hmm.
Can you imagine that you were
Wow.
that big?
Cool. Yeah, still a snowy day. Really snowy day. 127 centimeters up there with that snow. And the most of the balcony, oh my god, you see there? It's fully covered in snow. So, and final review on the car. There's also some wires. And yeah, if you press this thing, that makes the horn. But you have to turn it on in order to do it. See you tomorrow then.